the Vaporesso NRG tank in 60 seconds. This tank doesn't try to reinvent the wheel when it comes to an atomizer. Instead, it takes all the popular features vapers are looking for today and adds in a couple creative additions to put a little icing on the cake. Filling NRG is easy thanks to Vaporesso's slide and fill design that lets you just slide the top cap over, revealing a large fill hole. This 5mm atty has a super useful heating insulation layer at the bottom of the tank to help prevent overheating, and a mesh strip tip that prevents spitback. You've also got dual air slots at the bottom of the tank that are adjustable and fully closable. This tank can utilize the entire GT Core pre-built coil family, giving you a wide range of wattage options. Available in 5 different colors, the NRG looks good, it's built well, and features all the modern features that you want in a sub-ohm tank. And you can get yours at VapeWild.com.